Hello and good day, kids. Metal. We are doing a blimp cam test, and I think we've kind of nailed it here. I think I need to alter the view just a little bit to this direction here. There we go. We got a car doing its tuning in ghost mode. Oh boy, that looks pretty good on the screen from what I'm seeing. We might need more light down here though. Hang on a second, let me work on that. Oh yeah, that looks better. That looks pretty good. We'll have to see how it actually looks on the big screen, but on the little screen I'm watching, it doesn't look too bad at all. So we may have the blimp cam online. So check it out, kids. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Remember, there's no wrong way to slot car. See you later, slot cowboys. Metal, race on.